What's up guys? Welcome to Shoot First. Nico here. Kasama natin dito si Wanits. Perfect
Nag-ayos
ano
pa
eh,
akong
no?
bigote, ayos
Nag-aayos
na
pa
naman.
ng... It's part of the character na Wanits.
Bigla mo namang sinisimulan, nag-aayos pa ako eh.
Sabi ko, ito na. Ito na yung perfect. Kamusta bro? Ang dami nangyari, no? Dami nangyari ngayon sa college basketball.
Oo, I mean this episode will go straight
Mm.
forward. We'll be
Mm.
talking about yung mga nangyari sa UP. No, this is somewhat medyo marami akong feelings.
Mm.
We've been so medyo nagkaayaan pero yung ibang mga taga UP busy. Uh, si Mikey kaliwat kanan ng mga TED Talk.
Actually,
Si
nga,
ano
no?
naman, si Javi I think is in the MPBL. So, yun,
Tayo
yun.
muna.
Laki ng UP ano ko dito. Laki ng UP. Ano ba tawag natin dyan?
UPIS
Frame.
ano mo yan? Jersey
Yeah.
frame.
It's the last jersey I played with.
Ah shit,
So,
seryoso.
pretty bad.
Okay ah.
Yeah.
So si Jaggy may ganyan din, pero yung fighting maroon
Hindi,
sa
wala.
ano.
Hindi naman niya pinaganyan. Hindi naman niya pinaganyan yung kanya eh.
Ah, hindi niya pinaganyan.
Hindi
Ito
niya
yan si
pinaganyan.
Jaggy.
Yan ba
Busy.
sa'yo? Yan din yung last jersey mo dyan? Akala ko yan din yung last
Yes.
jersey mo eh.
Okay. Okay. Pinagkaano ko yun, no? Curry din.
Hmm.
So ano
Pero sige,
naman, it's like, for you ba, was it yung itong mga moves for UP? Let's first start kay Francis Lopez.
okay.
Do you felt like it was time for him to leave? Like,
All
okay
right,
na, like, sige. Hmm.
honestly, I feel not yet.
Ooh, okay.
No, Francis is talented. Francis is, you see na sobrang taas nung ceiling ni Francis eh.
Oh,
And he's only on the bottom part. Kasi ang layo na niya. He's already a champion. He's already showed the stats. But with his athleticism, you know that there's a higher ceiling. But I think that he needed one more year to grow on the collegiate level. Ayun yung feeling ko ah. I feel that there are still parts of his game that he needs to fix na on this level mas makukuha niya. Mas maano niya. Mas mas matututunan niya on how to play. And the next year, on his third year, that's where he can consider maybe KBL, B-League, no? Uh Surprising, it's a move that I did not hear any rumors about.
ako rin. Wala akong narinig
'Di ba?
prior
Nagulat
to
ako,
this. Kaya
nagulat
sabi
ako.
ko, uy, saan galing yan?
Right? And then all of a sudden, news just came out. Ang nakakatawa pa yung, 'di ba?
Oh,
Signal pumunta kaming Nagoya.
yeah.
Ang tumawag sa akin, yung coordinator ko sa Nagoya. Shout out Sir Jerry, no?
Okay.
Bigla siya tumawag. Coach Wanitz. Sabi ko, yes sir. Aba, papunta na rito yung fighting maroon nyo ah. Wait lang. Check ako. Ha?
Ano pa?
Pucha nga, Francis Lopez.
Ah, ganun
To
mo
Nagoya.
nalaman. Tinawagan ka.
Oo, kasi early morning eh. Early morning. So, diba, usually, hindi naman ako. Tsaka, first thing in the morning, ang first app na binubuksan ko, NBA.
Ah, okay.
NBA
It's
app.
for playoffs because
So,
of the playoffs.
before,
Oh,
before ko malaman yung mga news
local.
about anything
Mm.
else, about college, about
Mm.
NBA ang una ko i-check. So, nagulat talaga ako. I really got surprised na, and then doon na biglang ano na sa social media, andyan na sa group chat. Diba?
Mm.
It really came as a surprise. But, physically, I think he's ready.
Physically,
Physically.
okay. Yung tools sa 6'6"
Physically,
wing.
ando na
Oh.
pare, kahit anong kahit sa EuroLeague ko ilaban yun. Yung tools ng katawan niya, lalaban si Francis eh. But, I just think there's a few more understandings on the game which he could have gotten from Coach Gold. He could have gotten in the UAAP level. And then, pag na-master niya yon, that's where he can go out.
Pero may nabasa ko sa article na siguro he couldn't deny the life-changing money per se na sinabi nga dun sa
Well, yeah.
tiebreaker times, no?
Yeah.
Na 3 years. So I think that was a big factor.
Three-year
Tapos
deal ba? I really haven't,
3 year 3 year deal dun
parang I
dun
stopped with Francis to Nagoya Eagles eh.
ayun.
And ang mas
So
eh, mas
three
interested
years.
kasi ako doon. I got to talk nga with the coordinator. Ano yung
Okay.
magiging possible na buhay niya?
Oo nga. So ano
Area
nga?
na sino yung susundo? Sino yung mga Pinoy na pwedeng tumulong sa kanya doon sa Nagoya? Wala kasi I got yung buong January ko pare was locked. talaga with coordinating in Nagoya the
Oo.
Filipino community,
Oo.
yung sports coordinators. So parang interesting lang din na medyo I wanted to learn on how he's gonna do it, but that's something na malalaman natin when he transferred there.
Exactly. Oo nga. Do you still think UP are the favorites without a Francis Lopez? Sabihin natin ito na yung final lineup nila. Wala na
Mm.
sila ibang kukunin. Ah, ito na yun. Basically, ito na yun.
Okay, so we got no KQ anymore,
No
no
KQ rin,
Francis
oh.
Lopez.
Mm.
No Francis Lopez. So parang biglang magki-quits. But
Oo.
now I think the best player is gonna be Mike Phillips. I'm
Looking
gonna
like it's
give it to
Asia Basket,
Lasal
bro.
by just a little bit. Just a tad bit. Hindi
Or
pa ako
just by just
masyadong
a hair.
by just a hair. By just a hair. Comparing both teams, nakita ko yung Mike, pare, wild.
Asia
Wild yung Mike
Basket,
Phillips.
bro. 20 and 18. Yung average
I
niya.
think
20
I
and
think
18.
Mike's taking the MVP this year. I think Mike's taking the MVP. And then Jacobs playing well. Baklaan is elite. I'm not yet too sold with Amos and Pablo. I haven't seen them break out.
Parang
I
ano
haven't
lang.
seen them break out.
Steady si
Oo,
Mason has
yon
been
yon.
steady. Steady si Mason. Si Pubs, perfect siya for a bench role. Si Mason
Yeah.
pwede naman mag-start.
Hindi, but eventually you want Luis Pablo to really step up as either a 4 or 5 eh. 'Di ba? You can lalo na kung kailangan mong ipahinga si ano.
Si
Sometimes you
Phillips.
can go big. Mason Pablo Phillips. Kaya eh.
Actually, Mason gawin
Kaya you
mong
can go
3.
big. Kaya.
Yun naman
So
din gusto niyang
ano
role,
lang.
'di ba? Gusto
I
daw niya
think
maging
parang ano,
tres.
alam mo yung nakita mo rin yung ceiling ng Pablo pero nagkukulang pa. So 5 on 5, malalim din talaga si Lasal, yung starting five.
Mm.
Pero syempre, kung
Oo.
isipin mo naman pare yung depth nung experience ni UP of Jerry, Fortea, Alarcon, nandiyan
Felicilda,
pa syempre
Torres.
yung, 'di ba?
'Di
Felicilda
ba?
Torres yung depth nung experience nung IQ, yung comfort nila dun sa sistema ni Coach Gold. Yun yung nakakatakot doon. Yun yung nakakatakot doon. Yung yung
Ako one
yung
needs not to mention Ray Remogat din. Si Noy Remogat.
yeah,
Maglalaro na. Nakakalimutan rin natin minsan na, nga pala, this guy was second in the MVP before he transferred to UP.
parang napanood ko yung Ray Remogat. I mean, I watched him in UE, but after UE, syempre hindi ko na masyadong natutukan
Siyempre, wala
paglipat
nang ano
niya ng
eh. Oo.
UP. No, that's a full year. But the next time
Mm.
I got to watch him sa Papawis, ito lang,
Ah,
sa
saan?
Mandaluyong, sa Gameville,
Okay.
nakita ko lang siya. So sabi ko, nod-nod lang ako. Nakita ko din si Rayland.
Okay,
Shoutout
so magkasama
Rayland.
sila. Magkasama sila.
No, magsama si Luis. Shit, napindot. Tapos, wild yung, ano bro, wild yung Remogat. His comfort with the ball is wild. So,
Natural, very natural with the ball.
natural pare. So, sobrang excited ako sa baklaan Cortez versus Remogat. Sobrang excited ako doon. That's gonna be a hell of a backcourt. That's gonna be a hell of a backcourt. Ang sobrang exciting isipin.
Parang Remogat, ano yan, no? It's either Remogat Abadjan or Remogat Baila. Iba rin kasi daw yung si Jacob
Oo
Baila
nga, si
ngayon.
Jacob din pala. Si
Two yun
Jacob
eh. They're
din
playing him
pala.
with a two. He's a tall
Ay,
guard,
talaga
six
ba?
four, 6'5". Parang two siya
Nakikita ko
minsan
siya
eh.
sa skills eh. Nakikita ko siya sa skills. Yeah, medyo magaling din talaga yung ano. Magaling din talaga yung Baila. But yung Abadjano magiging steady diyan.
Steady,
Jerry
no?
would
Yung
be
mid-range
the
maestro.
yung steady guy mo.
So parang ano
Pare,
nga.
at the end of the day, sobrang exciting ng season next season.
Parang
Sobrang
wide open, no? It's
exciting.
wide open. The championship isn't guaranteed. It could be anyone, knowing that Lopez has left.
Mm. Ngayon, tahimik si ano? Tahimik si UST na tumatrabaho.
Tahimik
Alam mo
nga,
yung
tahimik lang.
recruitment ni UST. Alam mo yung recruitment ni UST.
Mm.
Si NU, if Manansala and Figueroa stays, if
Most likely
Manansala
parang
and
ganun. Looks
Figueroa
like
stays,
they're staying. Looks like they're locked
tas
in
yung
for.
Palasielo, bro, yung Palasielo was feasting on the inside sa 3x3.
Ah,
I've been
really?
watching the
Ooh.
3x3. Kaon lahat ng matchup ni Palasielo.
Hirap sa kanya sa 3x3 pag half court
Hirap.
na. Syempre.
And then they have a lot more guys coming in. Itong si NU, I don't know if Colin Sakowe is coming in.
Well, he's practicing
He's
with him pero
training.
wala
He's
pa daw siyang
training.
official
Oh, wala pang official
school.
announcement.
Oo.
Si so it's gonna be wide open, but you just look at the upper echelon of talents. It's still gonna be LaSalle and UP. But it hurts that KQ's leaving. It hurts that Francis is leaving. Medyo mabubutas. Medyo mabubutas. But I don't know. We saw glimpses naman that UP can function without Francis. I think this is gonna be the time of either Briones or Belmonte. Probably Belmonte.
Actually, yun nga eh.
Probably
Parang
probably Belmonte.
mostly Mark nga. Si Mark Belmonte yung pinaka-benefit dito sa minutes na madidistribute.
Uh, alam mo kanina ko nanghihinayang
Kanina.
kay Aldos.
Because he left
He
already.
left.
Nakita ko yung message ni Jaggy. Balik ka na. Nag-enroll na ba? Nag-enroll
Nasa
na.
SF group ba? Nasa
Ano?
SF group ba si ano? Si
Si Jaggy, oo. Nagko-comment si
Hindi,
Jaggy sa
hindi, hindi,
mga
hindi, hindi,
ibang.
hindi, si Aldos. Di ko sure ah.
Hindi
Hindi
ko
ko
alam eh.
sure.
Pero natag niya eh. So, hindi ako
Baka,
sure kung
baka.
matatag.
Shout
Baka
out,
nandun nga sa.
Dus! Shout out. Shout
So, if
out.
hindi
Love
pa
ko yung
siya
batang
enrolled,
yan.
do you think there's a chance? Pero hindi na, no?
He
Parang
comes
for,
back? I don't know,
nakakahiya
pare.
eh, no? Parang for him, baka
Medyo,
nakakahiya na biglang,
medyo,
Coach, balik ako.
I
Pangit,
don't
pangit
think that
tingnan.
happens. I don't think that happens. Pangit tignan, pangit tignan.
Pangit
He already
tingnan.
said his word. I think kung babalik talaga yan dahil kay Luna. Baka maging
Kay
LDR
Luna.
ang ano pare. Baka maging LDR ang Quezon City at Manila, mahirap na. Though, isang ano lang yon, isang LRT lang yon, dulo-dulo. Sakay kang jeep hanggang, galing ko mag-commute eh, no?
Pagtiisin na lang nila yun. No? Alam mo yung Metro Manila Manits ah.
Isang sakay lang yon, jeep ka hanggang Katip, tapos
Oo.
LRT ka hanggang dulo. San beda na yon? Pero
Okay
I
naman
mean,
pala.
positioning wise,
Oo.
Aldous could have been the next man up. Belmonte kasi is the four.
Yeah,
Belmonte
parang
hindi pa masyadong tres eh. I don't think he's ready to play the three. Aldous has more of the potential to play the three. So doon ako nanghihinayang. But uh wala, he's probably gonna get more opportunities for San Beda. Probably gonna get more opportunities.
looking like the first option there. At the very most 1B, di ba? Si Aldous.
Mag-aabot pa ba sila? Would you know kung mag-aabot pa sila ng Jomel Puno? It's gonna be wild.
Aabot. Aabot sila kasi
May play
aabot
year ba
sila.
kay Jomel
Ah,
Puno?
aabot pa si Jomel Puna with him. Para
Ganda
sing
nun.
Janty Miller.
Ang
Bro,
ganda nun.
parody mo yung Janty Miller. Ang galing
Oo, oo,
talaga.
oo. Ah,
Ang
nakita ko,
galing
nakita
ng
ko.
Janty Miller.
Nakita ko yung Janty
Medyo
Miller.
magsabay yung tatlong yon. Puno, Turkulas, Miller. Puta yan. Lakas dun.
That's gonna, pucha, no? All options ka on offense, no? Lahat yun, slasher.
Lahat yung
Lahat
slasher
can
can shoot.
stretch. It's athletic.
Yung tatlong yun, athletic din. So sabi ko, patay, San Beda, mukhang San Beda, ano to the next 3 years.
I mean, honestly,
Parang
ang
ganun.
lungkot ko lang naman dyan is, as a UPIS, si Aldous yung nagtatawid ng bandera namin eh. 'Di ba? Siya yung
Siya ba yung
ano
most
niyan.
successful, Ay, hindi. Sina Juan naman galing
No, no,
UPIS
no.
din, di ba?
But he was the next man up.
Oh, okay. He
He
was,
was the
yeah,
next
okay.
man up. So, syempre, nandyan si Paulo Mendoza. Then
Yeah.
you turn it over to Marvin Cruz. Then you turn it over to Miggy Maniego. You turn it over to Diego Dario. 'Di ba? And then to Javi, GDL, 1 GDL. So ngayon si Aldous na yung
Si
representative
Aldous
namin.
na.
'Di ba? Si Aldous yung shit, we have a guy that came from our small school. We have 100 students per batch. And
Wild
then we
nga,
can
nung
produce a
sinabi mo sa
talent.
akin.
So yun lang yung frustration namin na sayang nawalan kami ng representative dahil yung mga star player ng UPIS is still 3 years away from graduating. Si
Si Tubong Banwa.
Egea, si Tubong Banwa, matagal pa naming aantayin sa college. I mean, go support tayo sa high school. Pero
Pero
wala, kumbaga
nag-mythical
for
team na,
now,
bro.
wala kaming ano.
Galing-galing.
Although sana, hopefully soon, si Galotera, yung mga guys namin sa Team B, trabahuin nyo guys. Gusto talaga namin ng representative natin sa Team A. Diba? Trabahuin natin. But, exciting times, exciting times. One guy I want to see, hopefully,
Mm.
and I'm a fan of this guy, si Chico. Si Chico
Ako
Briones.
rin, pero it's just really kung mabibigyan ba siya ng playing time, I feel like 10 to 12
Yeah.
minutes ulit. At the most na nga yun,
Hindi
10
nga
to
eh.
12
He's
minutes.
playing 4 to 6 eh.
4
He's
to
playing
6 the
around 4
most
to
na nga.
6.
Mm.
So, hindi pa talaga fully napipiga. Pero pare, isipin mo, he was 6'5", 6'4", 6'5". playing the point guard position in the States.
Nung high school, 'di ba?
So
Yun
may
yung parang
handles yan. He was dubbed as one of the better defensive guards. So alam mong interchangeable ang position niyan defensively. No? Ano lang, ang lalim lang talaga nung position nila. Francis, si Torres, Belmonte, Torculas. Hindi siya nabibigyan sobra ng ano, ng highlight. I think this is gonna be the break already na inaantay natin kay Chico.
siguro na with Francis leaving, unless na they replace Francis with someone else. Kasi April pa lang eh. Diba?
Oo
September pa yung
naman.
season eh. Sobrang dami
And
pa pwede mangyari.
I'm hearing, sabi-sabi, hindi ko alam, meron daw mga tinatry pang uh, hanapin ang UP, I think, sa States. Hindi natin alam. Hindi natin alam. UP is very, very silent. Recently,
Medyo quiet
surprise
pa
ang
nga to eh.
mga surprise ang mga moves ni UP. Di
Actually,
ba?
yung Rainier
Surprise.
Maga nga was kinda, alam mo yung, okay, it made noise, pero hindi pa yun yung sanay tayo what kind
Hindi,
of noise
actually,
UP usually
bro,
makes
ako
eh.
baliktad. Baliktad,
Ano?
pare.
Nagulat ka talaga sa,
I didn't hear a rumor about where Maga is going. I didn't
okay,
even know
okay.
that Maga was that young.
May 2 years pa siya
Akala ko
with you guys ah. May 2 years pa siya with UP. Based on sa article. Based on sa nabasa kong article.
So ang ano ko doon is wala, nagulat ako kasi yesterday sa office, feeling nila, hindi ko alam bakit, tingin nila dito sa opisina, ako yung maraming chismis sa basketball. So umakit ako dyan sa office,
Okay.
bro, saan pupunta yung Maga?
Sabi di
Sabi
ba?
ko wala pa ako naririnig. Wala pa ako naririnig. And kung nanonood man yung mga nakausap ko, wala po talaga akong narinig. Kasi
Kino-confirm ko lang
baka tingin nila tinatago ko lang eh.
para
Baka
sa
tingin nila
podcast.
tinatago ko lang para sa podcast. Wala po talaga ako narinig. Akala ko nga baka mag-NC, baka mag ano. Nagulat talaga ako that out of nowhere, UP
UP.
pala. UP pala yung kumuha.
Tapos merong post dito sa ano no, like nakita ko sa Facebook, doon sa UE Red Warriors basketball team post na si Coach Brodet,
Oo.
nag-comment siya doon kasi ang daming people are saying na pinapoach daw ng UP yung ano, saying so many names. And then sinasabi niya na parang he made like a long essay na inaalagaan lang daw yung mga bata for 3 months. What about the other 9 months? That's what people should realize daw on why moves like this happen. So sabi ko, intriguing. Parang it looks like a management issue. That's why siguro maalis yung mga bata. And alam mo naman, it's a he said, she said kind of thing. And Coach Brody is a head of Phenom. He manages these boys.
Yeah.
So
Kilala ko
obviously,
naman. Kilala ko
may
naman si Coach
weight
Brody.
talaga yung sinasabi yan na wag kayo tumingin just sa 3 months. Tumingin kayo sa whole year when it comes to managing the kid. So there
So
could
may
be something
internal tayong mga hindi naririnig. Okay.
based on that
Okay.
statement from Coach Brody. Napansin ko lang doon. Nandun yung ano niya, comment niya. Nag-top comment pa nga doon sa UE Red Warriors
I
post
mean,
about
to be honest, I'm a
mm,
UP fan since birth, pare. I mean, since 1995, makikita nyo, lagi ako naka-UP. Malungkot ako para sa UE. You know that the UE tribe is very loyal.
they are
Uh,
very loyal. UE tribe.
they're very loyal. They're a school where win or lose, talagang andyan sila sa likod. And
Mm.
they really bank on their talents. They're very loyal to their talents. And they were natutuwa na nga ako para sa UE nung last season kasi you saw the heart of every
They
individual
were
from
there. They
Maga,
were right
Lingo-Lingo,
there.
Abate, Momoway, si Ethan Galang, si Cruz Dumont. These were guys that really gave it their all for the school, for the community. So I was excited that they were gonna get a coach that I think fits their system pretty well. Si Coach Chris, I think the way that Lingo-Lingo plays, the way that Abate plays, the way that si Fikes meron pang next level sa ilalaro niya, I think Coach
Mm.
Chris could have really exposed their talents better. So malungkot ako na nawala pa si Maga. And I mean, I don't want to speak for the whole UP community, but I, ang dami na nating nakukuha eh. Right? We're getting a lot of players and I think there's already some some ano ba yung term? Marami na rin tayo nakukuha mga comments, maraming mga siguro bash, right? On the side of UP.
Mm.
And ikaw ba, what do you think? What do you think about the transfer?
Ako kasi, I'm thinking of this as a, like sabihin natin management ako. Iniisip ko na trabaho ko is to bring championships to my school, 'di ba? And knowing na alam natin na ano masakit for UE. Of course, 'di ba? You wanna build a dynasty of your own. Pero itong UP kasi, hindi natin ma-deny na they have the resources to actually replenish the roster. Kasi alam na natin
Yeah.
when it's na sa college basketball ngayon, 2-3 years na lang yung nagiging ano eh. For top players, for the
Yeah.
stars, 2-3 years is the cap. Wag mo na iisipin na magpa 5 years yan. At the very most, 3 yan. Di mo, Francis 2, Carl Tamayo 2, KQ, nag 3? 3 years si KQ, di ba? Nag 3 years si
4.
KQ.
3 bar 4. Hindi ako
3,
sure.
3, 3. May 2 years pa si KQ eh.
Mm.
So, kung gano'n na yung labanan ngayon, they have to quickly think of the next replacement for these players. Tapos dagdag ko na rin na yung NU boys, wala na. By the time Rainier Maga enters, wala na sina
Mm.
Alarcon, Nabajano, that 5 guys. So
Yeah.
they're replacing the next phases of UP. So gets ko rin yung ginagawa ng UP. But at the same time, there's a school here, a proud school na part talaga ng glory days natin as we were growing up in the 2000s, 'di ba? When we for at one point in our lives cheered for that Elmer Espiritu UP, Poly UP. That was a fun era yung mga yun. So sayang lang na hindi pa natin nakikita yung a new kind of UE because if it's not a coaching issue, it's a player's issue. Na they couldn't build on
Mm.
something, but maybe sa next 2-3 years na nandiyan si Coach Chris, baka may mga sarili siyang hatak as part of the
Mm.
PhilAm nation.
I mean, ang ganda naman sa UE, lagi silang may next man up. Napansin mo?
Meron din.
'Di ba?
Thankfully, meron naman.
Nung nawala sino yung bago si Ray? Nawala who was the point
Di
guard
ba si
before Ray?
Manalang? Was it Manalang? Was it before
No,
Ray?
no, no. There
Wait,
was a
wait, wait,
point
wait.
guard that,
Sorry. Ibang Manalang iniisip ko. Season 84. Right lang. UAP Season 85 Basketball Roster U. Clint Escamis was there noong 84. Pero umalis si Clint Escamis. Ah,
was it Ray
nabablanko.
right away?
Hindi, bangko yan si Ray before eh. Yan
Kaya
yung
nga. There
glue
was
guy, ano.
one, sino yung star player ng UE?
Season
Parang meron
85
eh.
basketball roster UE. Wait. Ito na yung bago eh. Gusto ko malaman yung season 85. Ito. Sa
Sino yung,
the UAAP. Hinanap ko yung ano eh, old Facebook post. Ito. Okay, check ko ah. 85. Kyle Paranada was starting over him.
yon.
Ito si Kyle
Tama.
Paranada. The
And
Paranada
then,
Bros.
the Paranada Bros, punta siya
Mm.
UST.
Pumuntang
Tama?
UST. Pumuntang
Pumunta
UST.
UST. So, UE fan said, shit, wala tayong point guard. Remogat steps up. Diba? Remogat steps up big time. Part of one of the best stars. Remogat leaves. So,
Mm.
ano na naman? Maga steps up.
Maga
Uy,
steps up.
mayroon na naman tayong future.
They called
Meron na
him the
naman
next
tayong
Ray
future.
Remogat. UE fans called
Yeah.
him the next Ray.
Kaya nagagalit yung UE. Di ba?
Rainier Ray?
Sobrang, sobrang,
Mga Ray kinukuha
sobrang,
eh.
sobrang idol mo ata si Ray. Sumunod ka rin eh.
Sumunod ka.
Next Ray
Natawa sa
Remogat nga
comment.
talaga.
Sinundan
Pero nga,
nga
the
yung
question
ni
is, who's
Kuya.
next? Who's next? Meron pa kaya? May mga tinatago kaya yan si UE?
So far
So,
kasi, nakita ko sa point guard nila, wala masyado eh. They have a guy named Clives Fong. He's a defensive guard but not the, di ba, it doesn't ring a
na-cover mo to?
bell, di ba?
Na-cover mo to
Sa
sa ano?
Asia Basket, talagang hard-nosed defender. Ano talaga, he's
Si
really a
Precious
defender
still
right
ano
now.
na. Si Precious may playing year pa, di ba?
Precious still has a lot of playing years. I think 3 pa Juanits. This is his third playing year. So may 3 pa siya including this coming one, no. Magaling yung Cole and Hunter Cruz Dumont. They're both serviceable wing players. Pero ngayon butas yung guards nila, men. Si Lingo-Lingo, no? Lingo-Lingo. I mean, John Abate is there, 'di ba? John
Oo.
Abate. Pero Maaga was supposed to help back them up. So nagka-hole bigla yung guard position ng UE. But who knows, diba? They always find new players.
Hopefully. UE naman will always have a respectable basketball system eh. Will
Mm.
always have a respectable basketball system. I just hope that they find the next man up, and I hope they stay. No, if there is a problem with the management, I hope they fix it because UE will always be there as a school that will produce talent. Pare, pag tinignan mo yung mga na-produce ng UE, you have James Yap, you have Paulie, 'di ba? You have Jaworski ba?
Naku, di ko na alam yun. Di pa tayo
Di
pinaparang. Di pa
Kaidik,
tayo pinap...
Kaidik ata
Alan
Kaidik.
Kaidik,
Tama
yun
ba?
na sure ako. Alan Kaidik, I
Kaidik,
know
'di
was
ba?
UE.
So alam mo na yung names manggagaling sa UE are big and they can produce, and this is a school that will support. Pero siguro sobrang napapagod na yung UE because you just start supporting someone, then mawawala. 'Di ba? You fall in love with Remogat, mawala. You fall in love with Maga, mawala. You fall in love with Casey Dongalio, pucha,
Nawala. Oo nga pala.
nawala rin.
Okay, si Don Gallo
So,
nga pala.
'di ba? So medyo meron atang FX na diretso galing sa UE diretso sa
May
Diliman eh.
direct FX.
Recto to Diliman, diretso yung
And vice
FX eh.
versa.
'Di ba? Pucha. Kaya medyo galit na sa atin na UE fans ha. No, I will talk for UP. We're sorry. Medyo masakit nga talaga, but well, let's see. Let's see what UE has in mind. Let's see what UE has in mind. Even for volleyball, 'di ba? They had a lot of new players step up for them.
Si Kai Cepada, which is
Yeah.
which produced dito sa season.
2 years
Although
din yun. Wow, naging volleyball na yung podcast natin,
biglang
pare.
mga
May
center na
volleyball viewers na tayo ngayon.
biglang nag-pivot eh. Sa ba si Jaime Ascalon? Kailangan natin yan dito, di ba? Pag
Kai
gano'n, kailangan natin si
Cepeda, di
Jaime.
ba? Si Angelica Reyes, galing na libero noon, di ba? So,
So, ayun.
thank
Yun
you
yung ano
for
nun.
going to Spike First podcast.
Pero yun, I mean, sana makabawi pa UE. I mean, hopefully wala nang aalis or else baka hindi na natin alam paano magre-react yung mga fans ngayon.
Shout out
LeBron,
to the UE tribe. Shout out to the UE tribe for really for sticking with the team through thick or thin.
yeah, for
There are
sure.
good times that's coming for sure. Ang ganda naman ng kuha niyo kay Coach Chris Gavina.
Huwag niyo
He has a
pakawalan si Coach
really good
Chris.
market. Has a really good market with the Philabs. It's a really good market.
So,
Ang ganda na ng
wait and see
coaching
lang
staff
talaga.
niya.
Di ba puro PBA players? Di ba si Hobalde?
KG, si Pau.
Alam mo ba si Nick Demusis, nagsa-spot assistant coach dyan minsan?
Talaga?
sa kaya ko si Ma'am Risa Diaz eh. Ma'am, parang nakita ko si Nick Demusis sa isang sa isang Asia Basket na tournament. Naka UE Red Warriors sa Sabi, he helps out
Bata ba
sometimes.
niya
Sabi ko,
yun? Bata ni Chris Gavina?
I have no clue. Nakita ko na, pero alam ko si Nick Demusis is Phil-Am. So, siguro they're bonded by that na Phil-Am Nation Select. So, yun. Yun yung mga lang. That's a great, mga, the boys will learn a lot from those players for sure.
For sure. For sure. I watched Coach Chris already with Alex Cabagnot.
Mm.
Magkasunod kami. They had the 7 to 9 training, tapos 9 to 12 kami sa Signal. Grabe yung detail, bro. Grabe yung detail.
When you hear them talking,
When Coach Chris says something, iba yung detalye. Tapos baback up pa ni Alex Cabagnot. Pucha
talagang
pare,
talagang
dream ang ganda. Si Alex ba nasa coaching staff ng UE? Is
I
he
didn't
there?
see, I can confirm. I didn't see, I don't remember kung something I can check after ng podcast.
Oh,
Pero
sige, sige.
kung meron man, baka nagsa-spot siya. Diba, si Nick Demusis nga, wala naman sa official, pero he helps out during the Asia Basket, Kasi hindi naman sila strict sa mga who wants to be the assistant coaches, diba? Ang strict lang naman Asia Basket is the players. They don't care about the coaches. They can just help out. So, yun lang naman.
Well, still, where do you think UE will rank sa ngayon?
Mo on the spot. Uh, bottom two when I mean, feel ko bottom two right now.
Talaga.
Feel ko bottom two sila ngayon.
You look at the teams, of course, LaSalle,
UP.
UP, Ateneo,
At UST,
UST,
NU, lima agad yun.
NU,
You got
FEU.
if VJ Prez there, I
Mm-hmm.
really, ikaw may
Mm-hmm.
alam ka ba?
Mm-hmm.
Wala akong alam.
I know a few, but
I I don't know
hindi
anything.
naman.
Wala akong alam.
So far, what I can say to
That's six
the
already. That's
community, kaya
six.
nga, Adamson
Oh,
is, come on man, Adamson's there.
Adamson can compete, 'di ba?
Adamson can
Coach
compete.
Nash.
Pare yung Manzano, pagaling ng pagaling. Sobrang linis na gumalaw sa loob.
Uy, bro,
But,
Franzman, AJ Franzman, abangan mo.
oo nga eh,
Kung
oo
may
nga eh.
kung may most improved player of the year sa UAP, that's gotta be my guy,
I've been
AJ
hearing
Franzman.
his name lately from a lot of different, eh, hindi pa ako super sold nung season ah. The season was how many months ago? Right? But and then after sinasabi nila, pare yung Franzman, pare yung
Laki
Franzman.
ng
Kasi ako,
in-improve.
ang utak ko pare na kay Montebon, 'di ba? Ang utak ko na kay Manzano. And of course, ako personally, gusto ko na talaga makita yung bata ko, si Ray Allen Torres
I think
na
he's in the
sana
roster.
ano na,
I think he's in the roster. Bakit mo
sana
bata si
ano
Ray
na,
Allen Torres? Bakit?
UPIS din yan eh.
Ah, really?
UPIS din yan. And
UPIS pala.
We got to train nung pandemic. I got to train him nung pandemic mga
Okay.
three times no under me. Uh,
He's just doing fine. He looks like
ayun
a
nga.
Rost.
So yung France man could be a surprise.
Nood ka
But
ng
going
Asia
back,
Basket. Nandun yung
oh no, ako,
makikita
no,
mo na
no.
si Franzman has been doing well. Anyway, what? Going back to ano?
Going back to UE, you think even with this, let's say they have four good guys left. You have a bait, you have Lingo
Momoe.
Lingo, you have Momoway, you have Fikes. Diba? You have Fikes. Let's say Cruz Dumont plays well, one of the two.
Yeah, one of the two.
Meron ba
Si
ba?
Cole or si
Do you have
Hunter.
anyone in mind? Wala ko bang, puro bata pa kasi iba eh.
The
But
UAP is really
these
stacked right
four,
now. And it's
these four
mm,
are still on the upper echelon of talents in the UAP. Do you think they'll be enough to enter the final four?
bottom two. I don't think
Bottom two
na
pa
ano
rin.
tol. A bait has to play like should ito magiging Final Four contender ang UE if Momo Way gets you 20 and 10 and if Abate gets you 15 and 8. Ganun levels na on a
Ano level?
consistent basis
And then
while
Lingo
Lingo
Lingo, 4 threes a
3 to
game
4
yan.
threes a game na pwede pa yun yung pinaka most possible. At mahirap 'di ba? But Lingo can get you 10 to 12 especially coming
And
this season.
they need a good backup on the center position. Pikes
Yak.
needs to play the four fully. He
He
needs
cannot
to
be a
have a
5.
consistent
Fikes does
outside
not.
shot. Anong nangyari kasi, they play Momo away for 36, 37 minutes. Tapos si Fikes gagawing 5.
Oh, for those
Tapos for the start and the finish, ka-4 mo si Fikes. Pagod eh.
mm, pagod
Pagod.
nga.
They really need a good backup for Precious.
There's no good backup right now for UE. I don't
Talaga sa
remember
wala pa masyado.
si si Mark Cabero, hindi naman ano yun eh. Si Mark Cabero nga yung sinastart bro over Devin Fikes right now. Mark Cabero.
Okay.
So he's a mid-range guy. He can slash and mid-range si Mark Cabero. But as a legit, meron bang legit na center that can back up Momo Way right now na I'm confident with? Wala akong nakikita. And
Wala
I've
pa rin,
covered
wala pa rin.
UE many times, a lot of times dito sa Asia Basket. Not sure that changes sa Phil Oil. Kasi parang wala naman silang tinatago. Like, this is it. So, medyo concerned talaga ako sa state ng basketball team nila.
Well, again, babalik tayo. We do hope the best for the UE Red Warriors both for basketball and volleyball. I am a fan. I do support. One thing na hindi mawawala talaga yung puso. You watch the men's team,
Hmm.
you watch the women's team, yung women's volleyball, even the women's basketball. Para I got to cover them I think 3 to 4 times nung UAP. This is a
Women's
team,
or girls? Women's.
women's.
Okay. Women's.
Women's.
Okay.
This is a team that really puts in a lot of heart and siguro ganoon yung culture ng UE. Even when times are tough, pare, who you
Laban
have
lang.
will fight. Who you
Hmm.
have. Kasi may mga teams kung nakita na nila na overpower na, okay na to, tanggap na natin.
Okay na
May
to.
mga ganun eh. May mga ganun. But UE never back down. UE never back down. So, we do hope the best. We do hope the best. And pretty soon they'll be back. Pretty soon they'll be back.
Shoutout ko lang pala bago natin to end, no, it's yung Ateneo women's basketball team getting two good recruits. Nakita mo yun? Parang they got the girls, merong girls player na naka quadruple double. during the regular season, and they recruited it.
I saw the news that
Yeah.
they recruited. I don't know how good. So nakita ko lang na may ni-recruit silang mga bago.
Mm.
So I haven't really seen the highlights ng mga bago na to.
Erica De Luna. Yan, shoutout kay Erica De Luna. Para maano naman natin. Mag-give credit. Yun lang naman. Yun lang yung mga thoughts namin sa the state of the UAP right now. Kasi yun nga yung ano nila ngayon. So, siguro we'll do
Kasi
another
papalapit na
episode.
tayo eh. So parami na ulit ng ang episodes natin. I think we deserve a VJ pre-episode.
We when it's mandatory yun pag di tayo gumawa on the
Mm.
same day, we have to make a same day VJ
Whatever
pre.
happens, no?
So narinig
You know,
ko,
I'm hoping that the announcement would be VJ Pre decides to stay. Yun ang gusto ko.
that's what I want. Personally, if you ask me, I want him to stay. But again, sabi nga ni Coach Brody, there are a lot of factors to why a player leaves, di ba? It's just not, hindi lang inisip na lahat ng tao na pera and all be
Yeah.
all. There are a lot of things sa
There are.
layer. So,
I mean, we'll cross
gagawa
the
kami ng
bridge
mini
when we get
episode.
there, but for now, good luck, Francis. We do hope the best for you.
Of course, yeah.
3 years.
Good luck to Francis.
Ang maganda lang naman dito, whatever happens, he goes back to the Philippines, he plays for Gilas, gets all the experience. So good luck to you, brother.
Ay, Juanits,
I
agree ka
was
ba na ano, Francis has a ceiling na a much better Jamie Malonzo? What do you think? What do you
Oh
think of
yeah.
Fran? Di
Yeah.
ba? Tama,
Ceiling
yun yung ceiling.
Ceiling.
Ceiling ko, a
Ceiling.
way better Jamie Malonzo. If
Ceiling.
na
He has the
ceiling.
potential. He has the potential of being way better than Jamie. And
Kasi kay Euroleague
Jamie,
player.
no
Parang
knock on
Euroleague.
Jamie. Jamie's elite,
He's
pare.
already good. He's already good.
He's playing terrific. He's playing terrific sa Gilas and Ginebra. Just had a double-double earlier. So, uh, tama na. Tama ka. Ceiling-wise, mas mataas talaga ang ceiling ni Francis. But he has to do it the right way. No, he cannot look forward na, okay, I have to be better than Jamie. Take it step by step. Where do I improve? Ano bang kailangan ko pa? Maybe he has a consistent shooting, some shiftiness, because he's already fast. When does he use his speed? So when he gets that elite, what siya pare? Tayo rin na magbe-benefit. No? So again, shout out Francis. Good luck to Rain. Rain ba ang first
Yeah,
name?
Rainier. Pero pwede mo naman
Rain.
i-nickname na taga-UP na eh.
Good luck. Good luck to Rain. I mean, medyo malungkot. Malungkot for UE. I'm sad for UE. I'm still surprised by the news. At the end of the day, I am a fighting Maroon, and when he wears that jersey, I will cheer for him eventually. No, so best of luck. Best of luck. I'm very excited, especially when we see Remogat and Rain eventually. That's gonna be a hell of a backcourt. Dadagdag mo pa yung Payosing eventually. Guys, tough.
Mm.
Guys, tough.
Ano, may James Payusing pa kayo. At kung
James
sino man
Payosing
pa
pa.
re-recruit nyo na bago. Okay na yung RV Poyos ah. Yung mga
Oh yeah. Yun ang gusto kong kwento.
RV
Yun ang
Poyos.
gusto, yung ganung kwento ang mga gusto ko. 'Di ba? Yung mga
Naka-inspire RV Poyos.
I mean, let's
Nakalaban lang
try to
nila yun,
get
di ba? Nakalaban lang nila yun.
let's
Like,
try to get to know the story more nung RV
try, na,
Poyos. Tapos ano
try natin
natin?
kunin dito. Try natin
Oh,
kunin sa
sige, ba't
ano.
hindi? Ba't hindi? Ba't hindi?
Pwede natin
Ano
kunin.
natin?
Parang how Shoot First really started yung interviewing players. Pero sa atin, sa collegiate, mga new guys, di ba? Why not? So, ayun.
Alright.
Guys, this is Shoot First, Nico. So, ayun na nga. Sorry, may inside joke ko. So, ayun na.
Ano yun?
Hindi, yung kay Kabol. So, ayun na nga, guys. Anyway, guys, it's Shoot First. Nico Rocha here with Juanito Gregorio on behalf of all the rest of the Shoot First guys. We thank you all for watching. See you all next time. Peace.